questions, just want your company. It's all good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a really short video. I'm gonna make some shredded chicken quesadillas, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I am boiling the chicken, and then I'll get everything started for y'all. I'm gonna make some rice also, and I'm just gonna put it in the quesadilla. So that way my husband, the same water that I use to cook the chicken, I'm going to put it in my, I'm going to melt some butter so I can toast the flour tortilla, and then my rice, and yeah. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm melting some butter because I'm gonna grill some onions and bell pepper for my quesadilla. But I am gonna put butter on my tortilla. I put some salt and butter. Oh, I love grilled onions and butter. Smells so good. Big tortilla that I don't know if it's gonna fit in my. See, the onions are done. I don't know if it's gonna fit in my pan, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. I told you I was gonna make it work. And all that brown stuff, it's from the pan. It's butter. So I'm gonna put the cheese, and then I'm gonna shred the chicken, put it in there, and then I'm gonna put the onions, the bell pepper, and the tomatoes. The and then I'm gonna already, the chicken, and everything else. I'm gonna layer it again with cheese. Guys, look at that big old quesadilla. Guys, look at how big this is. I just stuffed it with shredded chicken, bell pepper. Look at that. I'm gonna put guys. Oh, it smells so good. I decided not to put the rice in there. I'm just gonna put it on the sides. It's almost done. But this looks amazing. Chicken quesadilla. Well guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna feed my husband. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.